Flyer co-op marketing is what I use to market all three of my businesses, my moving company, I buy houses, and my real estate brokerage firm totally for free. And I'm going to show you how you can do it too. Okay. What is co-op marketing? Well, simply put, is door-to-door flyer distribution. And the way I got my ads for free is I would print out high quality door hangers. Okay, and I would go to local businesses like restaurants, like lawyers, like cleaning business, mobile car washes, etc., and see if they want to put their ad in my door-to-door marketing campaign that I was going to do, and it would cost them just a few bucks versus any other marketing out there. And in return, I was able to get my ads, my moving company, up in here, my real estate brokerage in here, I buy houses in here, totally for free. Okay, and the way I would do it is I would print out high quality UV full color front and back door hangers that were professionally designed, and since we all piggybacked on the marketing, my customers over here, the restaurant business owners and lawyers, etc., they were able to get the marketing for pennies on the dollar. And for me, it was for free. All I got to do was manage the transaction, which was, sell these guys on putting their ads in here, which was very, very easy because every business owner needs marketing, and this was pennies on a dollar, and it got them results. And once they went out the first time, they would get hooked, okay, because they would get a lot of business, okay. Then once I sold them, two is to collect the money, okay. Three is now pay for the printing and the design, okay. Number four, do the distribution, okay. And since I did this on a regular basis, I had a crew where I contract this stuff out to them on a regular basis, and I paid them per flyer, and they would do this for me, okay. And so, well, what ended up happening is that I was able to buy and or market for my moving company, my brokerage firms, to get listings, to do property management, in my moving business, all around the Dallas-Fort Worth area in Texas for free because I used co-op marketing. I allowed other business owners to win by getting fraction of the cost of the marketing to put their ads in these beautiful design full color UV door hangers that went in front of everyone's house. And I make sure that the crew was being monitored correctly, because number five is I had to monitor the crew to make sure they did their job, is because not only was I responsible for these people because I told them it's going to get done, but I also wanted to make sure that my ads got out myself because I had a linear interest with these business owners. So this is why it made it a real win for them, and it made it a really win for me because I made sure that the flyers all got distributed. I came with a technique how to monitor them. If you're interested on how to do this, go to myrealestatedojo.com and join me for a consultation, and I'll be happy to help you out if you want to do this for your own moving company, for your own brokerage firm, or I buy houses, or any other business. It's very, very powerful because people only have one door when they get home, which is their front door. And anytime they get in and they get an ad for a pizza or kebabs, they're calling these people, believe it or not, lawn care services. And a lot of these business owners that advertise with me were extremely happy, and they want to do it over and more, and which is very, very beneficial for me because I want to do it more and more because it was free advertising for me. All I had to do was babysit the transaction, and I wanted to show you. I call it flyer co-op marketing. I allow all these local businesses to save a lot of money and basically pay for the marketing, okay. And the way it worked is the local businesses, okay, the local businesses that ran their ads on my door hangers, they paid for the printing, they paid for the distribution, they even paid a little money in my pocket, I would say like 10% for babysitting this transaction, and plus they paid for my marketing. So my marketing was totally for free, which is a lot because from there I had my moving business, I had my brokerage firm, I bought houses, so I was able to maximize in all these businesses totally for free on something that would cost me, if I was doing it by myself, thousands of dollars. At the same time, I was able to help out all these people plus their customers get together at a discounted rate. And myself, this is why I call it win-win-win. The customers won, I won, and the business owners won. We all won because we piggyback. We shared the cost of the marketing. I got paid a little bit more because I created the idea. I had to manage the idea, and so I got a little bit more. But I wasn't a greedy guy. I wasn't trying to make them a lot of money. I could have created this as a whole business on its own. I wasn't trying to do that. I just wanted to give the business owners, the local business owners, as much savings as possible, plus create myself free marketing, because I knew that if I could be in front of 30,000, 100,000, we would pass that 100,000 flyers plus a month. Okay, so that would generate me a lot of business for my moving company. That would generate me a lot of business for my real estate brokerage. So I was down for that. It was free marketing. So I hope this helps you out. If it does, if you could click the like button, share the message with someone that you think, business owner, that can help them, and click subscribe. Thank you so much, and don't take no for an answer. And always remember, you're braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and twice as beautiful as you ever imagined. Romy.